Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Osiris Ramirez, GIA trained diamond expert, and I made a little video today to demystify the buying online process. A lot of people get nervous when they buy a diamond online, and I wanted to shed some light on the process to show how easy and fast it could be. And honestly, it's a good process. So today I bought an online purchase from James Allen. It came into the mail, and I want to do an unboxing video so you guys could see what to expect when you order a diamond ring from James Allen. So here's the diamond, very quick. It was a gorgeous Si2 stone. There were some inclusions on it. However, they were white. They were white in appearance, as you see here. And I wanted to also show in this video that an Si2 with white inclusions could be 100% eye clean and safe to buy. So once I put in the card and I paid with a credit card, the next step was I got an email just to verify who I was, and I believe they asked for a license just to make sure there wasn't fraud. And after that, the next email was congratulating me that my stone will be ready in the next 1 to 3 business days, and it shipped as promised. So right down here we have the box. Still have not opened it, so I'm gonna go ahead and give this an open here. So it looks like I finally have the box open here. And this looks like a nice little presentation. You see that there? Very nice. Okay. Let's see. Very clean. Beautiful box. Beautiful. So for this time around, I had purchased a loose diamond. And this is the way it comes. It also, let's see, there's more stuff here. Okay, it's a nice little cloth. We have, it appears to be a, oh yes, okay. So this is used to grab the loose diamond. Pretty cool. Just gonna put that there. Okay, we got some paperwork. So we have, this is the GIA certificate. I'm gonna make a video just on this. It is very important, the certificate. I would say it's the first C that you should think about, because without the proper certificate, you don't know what you're buying, and often you're buying the wrong grade and you're overpaying. So very important, GIA certificate. This is a 1.51 carat, F color, beautiful. So we got the certificate here. Receipt, customer satisfaction, very nice. So I must say they really did a good job branding here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, the presentation. I mean, I'm very impressed by this. Lifetime warranty, sparkling rewards. Okay, cool. Refer a friend. And thank you for the purchase with 10% off wedding bands. That's nice. Okay, so clearly these guys are on point. I love James Allen. They're one of the titans of the industry online. They were the first ones to implement photo and video in high detail. So you see exactly what you're buying, and for that reason, I love them. They're just great. So let's see. This is my receipt. So all in all, I mean, if you look at all these items, this is quite the professional company to deal with. I would say this is a lot nicer than companies you see online, locally. So, oh, let me try here. I'm gonna make sure the diamond's nice and clean. And I'm going to use this little tool that they used that pretty much just goes right here and grabs the diamond. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let me go ahead and take a look at this. This diamond is gorgeous, excellent cut. So, all in all, I think James Allen did an incredible job with their branding, with their packaging. It has a very high-end feel. And again, I really tell my clients, focus is to give my clients the best options available. I hope you appreciate this video, and I've put some light onto the process and made you feel a little bit more comfortable with maybe purchasing online. I think that James Allen did an incredible job with the branding and packaging. It feels very high-end, and I hope you guys appreciated the channel. If you want to support the channel, please use the links below when you're looking at Blue Nile or James Allen. Please email me if you find any stone on either site. I will help you navigate any type of confusing terms. I'll help you find the perfect stone and make sure the competition is working for you. More videos coming soon, guys. Thanks so much.